Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video we will see how to make a nested packet circles chart using the sheet features in Canva. For this you have to first open your Canva app. After opening the Canva app, the user interface will look like this. So you have to select the sheet options under the get started menu. Just click on it, select blank design. You have to wait for some seconds based on your internet speed. A blank workbook will appear on your mobile app just like it is shown in this video here. First of all, you have to click on the actions option from the bottom left hand corner of the app. Then select magic charts under sheet actions. Then select chart library. Scroll down a bit and select nested packets circle chart under the hierarchy charts. After clicking on the nested packet circles chart, a chart like this will appear in your blank workbook. So first we will discuss the data tab and then we will discuss the customize tab. Okay. So under the data tab, there will be a table like Microsoft Excel where you will have to insert your or input your data either by manually or from any other sources. For this video, I will consider the demo example or the demo data given in Canva by default. Okay, so let us see this one by one. The first column is the continent column, the second column is the country column, the third column is the population column. Okay, so under the continent column, Asia, North America, Africa, South America, Europe and Oceania are given. And under the country column, under Asia, China, India, Japan and Indonesia, four countries are given. And under North America, United States, Canada, Mexico. Under Africa, Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa. Under South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia. Under Europe, Germany, France, Italy. And under Oceania, there are two countries which are Australia and New Zealand. The third column is the population column, in which the population of each of the countries are given. Okay, so this is basically our data which is displayed in the chart above. So next comes the import data option. By using this option, you can import your data. If you have prepared your data in Microsoft Excel or any other Excel workbook software, Google Sheets software, you can directly import that data in tabular format in this Canva software. Next is the transpose option, the two small arrows, the vertical and the horizontal arrows which you are seeing is the transpose option. So if you click on this, basically all your columnar data, the continent, country and population will get converted into rows. Okay, and basically this option is nothing, it will only convert your columnar data into row data, and if you have row data it will get converted into columns. Okay, the third option is the delete option. If you click on this, your entire data will get deleted. Next comes the chart setup option. Under the chart setup option, there are two options. One is the groups and one is the size. So what groups means what values to show. Means in the chart what values you are trying to show. If you click on this drop down menu, there appears many options: continent, country and population in millions. So I want to display the continent and the country. Okay, so I will select these two options. And the size means, as you are seeing, the size of the circles depends on the population size of each of the countries. So I will distinguish each of the circles based on the population of each of the countries. So I will select population from the drop down menu. See, population in millions is already selected here. So this is the data tab. Next comes the customize tab. Under the customize tab, there is the title option. You can add a title to your chart. Like I will add now nested packets circles chart. You can add a subtitle also, population of countries. You can add a source text, or you can link an external document also. If you have any external document, reference document from any website, or the data if you have taken from any other external website or any other source, you can just link it here. Okay. So next comes the settings option. Under the settings option, levels option is there, but levels option is of non use in this nested packet circles chart. Next comes the tool tips. By default it is kept on, you must keep it on. The next important option is the filters option. Now I will explain the filters option. Just first click on add. If you click on add, a filter will appear above your chart, main chart, under the subtitle. See, if you want to filter your data, what we will do? You have to select on what basis you have to filter your data. So first option is that select data. So I want to filter my data based on population. You can change it also by clicking on this drop down menu, like continent, country. If you want to filter it by continent and country, so I will change it to country. Okay. Next comes the style of the filters. I will keep it in buttons only. You can change it to range slider option also. Interactive color I will keep red because red is visible. And under the settings option, you must keep it on, allow multiple selections. Just click it and you are done with the filters. Now I will explain what filters does is, see, by default you can see every country and every continent is displayed. If you want to now only display country wise, only India, you just click on India. See, only India's population is displayed. Okay. If you want to see in both India and China, just click on China. India and China are displayed. If you want to see now United States, see, United States is displayed. If you want to see Canada, click on Canada. Canada is also displayed. Likewise. Okay. So if you want to unselect or unview, or if you want to remove any of the country from the filters, just click on that country once again. Likewise, China is displayed. I want to deselect China, so just click on China again. China will get disappear. Okay, China's data will not get displayed anymore. Okay. If you click on China again, China's data will be displayed. So this is all about the filters option. Now comes the basic options, which are the color options. First is the white color, which is the color of the background of the chart. I will recommend you keep it white. By default it is given white. Next comes the different colors of the different countries. Blue is for Asia, purple is for North America, orange is for I think China, and so on. Okay. Then comes spacing option. If you click on spacing and if you move the slider to the right, the spacing of the chart increases, just nothing else. The size of the chart or the spacing of the chart increases. So you can add more text options and all. Next comes the font, text styles, font size. These are basically the formatting options: color, format, the transparency of the chart, the position of the chart, the nudge option. Nudge option basically allows you to move the chart in the workbook. Then comes the three dot options, the mode option. In this mode option, you get various other options also, like you can copy the chart or paste the chart. You can make a duplicacy of the chart. You can copy the style of the chart, or if you can delete the entire chart. You can create a comment to the chart. You can lock the chart. You can lock only the position and appearance, not the data. If you select the lock, the data, position, appearance all will get locked. If you click on just lock position and appearance, only the position and appearance will get locked, the data will not get locked. You can edit the data. You can link any external source like I told earlier. External source, external document, external workbook you can link here. External reference text also you can link. You can add an alternative text to the chart. You can translate the text displayed in the chart. Okay, now I will show you how to download this workbook. For this, you can see in the top right hand corner of the app there is a up arrow beside the tick mark option. Okay, so just click on the up arrow. Now click on download. Now there are many file types. Just click on the drop down menu. The first is the jpg, second is the png. Like if you select these two options, your workbook will get downloaded in a jpg picture format. If you click on pdf standard or pdf print, your workbook will get downloaded in pdf standard or pdf print format. Okay, you cannot edit this workbook anymore. If you select svg, your workbook will still get downloaded in a picture format. You cannot edit your workbook or edit your chart in any other Microsoft Excel workbook or any other Google Sheet or any other Excel software. Okay, sheet softwares. If you download only in CSV and XLSX format, only then you can edit your chart anywhere else in the workbook, anywhere in any other software, workbook software. So I will recommend you select either CSV or XLSX format. XLSX format is the Microsoft Office Excel software format. So just select CSV or XLSX, then select download. Based on the internet speed, you have to wait for some seconds. See, download complete. A tick mark, green tick mark is displayed. If you click on open, your workbook will get opened, irrespective of you have Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets software installed in your mobile phone or Canva app. So this is all for this video. I hope you all have understood what I have taught, how to create a nested packet circles chart using the sheet features in Canva. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.